Welcome to Bridges Legal Video. My name is Josh Bridges, the owner-operator. Today I just wanted to run you through our picture-in-picture capabilities. We've really got these dialed in over the last couple of years. There's some incredible software out there and hardware that makes these things really seamless for your jury, for your trials, and really kind of the next step in the deposition evolution here. So we want to run you through a couple things. Everybody's kind of familiar with your document camera. You switch to it on the fly, keep your witness up on the screen, and you can walk your witness through certain things. Like today, where I'm just going to make a fictitious accident chase crash scene, and it begins here at Virginia Beach Boulevard and kind of moves down through South Independence, as you see. Let's mark different things like traffic lights they went through right there, and then kind of made their way onto the highway where they ended up not too far down the highway crashing. That's our fake story of the day, just to get you orientated and to kind of show you some different things. Mark it on the fly, Exhibit 1, just like that. So you can bring any sort of paper, any sort of area here, zoom in, zoom out. Pretty basic. Everybody's pretty familiar with these. But yeah, just another thing that we bring with in our repertoire of our picture-in-picture capabilities. We also have some software here today, or maybe you have a laptop or your trial pad or iPad that you want to use and use your software on that. You can plug that in through our system with HDMI. So I just kind of want to show you a couple things, how easy it is and how quick and seamless it can be. Let's just pull up a exhibit document that we have preloaded here. Let's see. So yeah, Josh, pull up that Exhibit 1 for me of the scene. And this is kind of where the scene begins, kind of the same thing I showed you on my document viewer. We saved this pre-hand, we loaded in our trial software, and it's here for us to use now. Kind of same thing. This is kind of where the scene started and the chase started. Also want to show you how you can use some arrows to kind of direct everybody where this is kind of the direction of travel. And that's how they got onto the interstate right there. So it's pretty cool. Traffic lights right there. So yeah, they went through that traffic light. Looks like they went through this one too. So yeah, those were all red lights there they went through, and then they got on the interstate trying to evade the police here. So Josh, can you also bring up exhibit number 2 of the crash scene? And boom, just like that. We'll throw it up there for you. Just a little bit wider view. Again, this is kind of where we're going. This is just a straight line. Let's get the arrow. Let's delete that real quick, and let's get a regular arrow in there, just like that. So yeah, they got on the interstate. They started heading that way, and then this is where this accident, right about somewhere in there, happened. So you can direct them. We can also go ahead and mark this in an exhibit right down here, pretty quickly. And then let's go Exhibit 3. How's that sound? So boom, Exhibit 3 down in the right-hand corner. We can save that, save it for later, get your court reporter. So that's that. You also have, let's say you have another document where some of these crashes happen by neighborhood in Virginia Beach. And maybe you want to show one document at the same time. So you got 1 and 2. Let's go 3. Let's go 4. So now that's 3, 4. Yep. Yeah, so Josh, can you zoom in on the top there for us? So your videographer will zoom in on it, kind of blows it up. Everybody's able to see it. We also put screens out for everybody to see, or if you have a screen in the office, we can project it to that as well. So these are kind of handy, just like that. So yeah, that's the document viewer, and that's how that works. Maybe you have the video of this accident ready to go. And Josh, can you pull up that video for us? Yes, sir, right away. Let's go ahead and put that video up there. Oh, there we go, on air. And then, boom, just like that, we're gonna start the video for you. You can pipe in your audio. And now your witness, your jury, everybody can follow along with what you're talking to them about. Stop it right there. So yeah, that's kind of what we have here at Bridges Legal Video. That's just our basic picture-in-picture capabilities. You can also add another camera to this if you want to have both the attorney taking the question and the witness on the screen and kind of fluctuate back and forth. That's kind of something that we've been doing recently. You got your document camera, of course, and then you have iPad, videos, PC. You know, we can dial that in as well and keep your witness on the screen as well. So that's picture-in-picture in a nutshell. If you have any questions, give us a call, give me an email, josh@bridgeslegalvideo.com. Really appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.